Jericho is all about helping people overcome barriers to employment. We work with some of the people who are most disadvantaged in the employment market. We help them identify their personal and occupational barriers, and we help them overcome those barriers and move into sustainable jobs. We do that in lots of different ways, but one of the key ways we do it is to provide people with the opportunity to do supported, paid and unpaid work experience placements in some of our social enterprise businesses.
We basically have 4 kinds of training here in construction: bricklaying, joinery, painting and decorating, and some plastering. That is what we call a carousel. The idea being that they come in and build a bay, brickwork, joinery, hanging doors, plasterboarding, skimming, which is plastering, and then decorating the plasterwork.
The training that I'm doing at Jericho at the moment, basically it's like a work experience based thing, which basically it's placement. So when I'm going to be doing like my college course with South Birmingham College on my carpentry level 1, my level 2 and level 3, it's a place where I can actually carry on doing the work in placement, but also gain my experience out of it at the same time while I'm getting assessed on the job. It's benefited me greatly, as now I can do a lot more than what I used to be able to do beforehand. I've got people around me which are helping me with everything they can possibly help me with. You know, if you've got problems at home, they're happy with them in certain ways, like a bit of mentoring. If it ain't that, it's issues in work, like if you think you're doing something wrong, you can always speak to someone which will always give you a positive answer on how to work your way around things. My apprenticeship, I'd like to be the carpenter that I'm working my way towards at the present moment in time. Hopefully have my own company underneath my belt and everything else.
We've worked with Jericho Construction on various projects, including the Vietnamese Development Centre in Birmingham and the Margot Hutchinson Centre more recently. We've really enjoyed working in partnership with Jericho because our speciality is community projects, and not only are they a community builder, but they're doing something that gives more back to the community than any other local builder may be able to. We chose to work in partnership with Jericho because they're a social enterprise, and to have the opportunity to work with an organisation such as Jericho, we know that people are being trained on the job who would otherwise find it very difficult to find employment in a traditional sense, and especially in the construction industry, skills are so vital in order to get work with a commercial enterprise, and so they give those people the first step on the ladder.
I would say the main advantages of using Jericho, it's a bit like fair trade really. When people buy from Jericho, they buy value for money, high quality goods and services at normal market rates, but their pounds are also contributing towards helping us deliver on our social outcomes. So it's not just the product that people are buying, it's also the social outcomes.